You can go from having zero programming experience to delivering custom interactive software as a digital consultant, and you can do it without writing a single line of code. The engine that makes this possible is Claude. While standard chatbots are optimized for conversation, Claude is designed to construct entire applications and analyze complex data structures. This tutorial covers the complete setup. We will configure your account, automate heavy data analysis, and deploy custom mini-apps. Mastering these interconnected features provides the technical foundation for a specialized digital service. To access the full toolset, install the desktop application. Unlike the web browser version, the desktop app allows Claude to interact with your local files, which is necessary for complex projects. Once open, your first decision is selecting an engine from the Model drop-down menu. Haiku is fast and efficient for simple tasks, while Opus is the heavy-duty engine for complex logic. Claude operates on a 5-hour cycle. The Pro plan provides the capacity to sustain workflows without hitting limits. Selecting the right engine ensures your workflow doesn't freeze mid-task, allowing you to complete complex projects without interruption. Vague prompts lead to inconsistent results and reach token limits prematurely. To prevent this, Anthropic developed a specific 6-pillar framework for prompting. Following it ensures professional, predictable outputs. Look at the difference in structure. We are being highly specific with the data and explicitly defining the overarching context of the project. Pillar 3 involves training your AI. If you need a specific style, you must paste examples of your past work directly into the prompt so it can mimic your exact tone. Organize your text using XML tags, assign Claude a specific expert role, and put questions at the bottom. Let's apply this. We assign the SEO analyst role, tag a business's website data, provide audit examples, and place the final request at the end. This structure generates a formatted, professional audit ready for client review. Next, we can apply this logic to analyze datasets that are too large for manual human review. Within the desktop application, you can simply drag a heavy CSV sales file straight into the chat window. By instructing Claude to act as a senior data analyst, you can have it comb through thousands of rows of transactions to identify patterns. The system extracts seasonal trends, identifies peak performance periods, and generates a visual HTML dashboard to display the findings. Moving your data extraction to Claude replaces manual spreadsheet labor with immediate trend reporting. Artifacts is the feature that allows you to turn plain text instructions directly into functional, interactive software. If you need a lead generation calculator for a local business, you describe the math and request a clean interface. Claude generates the working application right inside your window. To deliver the product, click the Publish button. This generates a live, shareable web link that opens perfectly in any browser. Publishing these standalone web links allows you to deliver functional software directly to a client's browser without setting up external servers. Beyond single inputs, Claude can perform continuous, autonomous operations. This is Cowork mode. Instead of waiting for individual prompts, autonomous AI agents break a complex mission into smaller tasks and execute them in parallel. You can expand the capabilities of these agents by linking them to external tools through the Connectors menu. By connecting Google Drive, agents can automatically retrieve information from existing business documents to use as context for their research. Combining autonomous agents with external connectors creates a hands-free research engine that allows you to manage multiple complex research streams at once. You now have the technical ability to produce lead generation apps, structured SEO audits, and automated data systems. Your next step is to have Claude draft an AI consulting proposal. This document should package your new skills into specific workflow modernization offers for a local business. Take that proposal to local businesses in your area and offer to streamline their operations using these deliverables. These technical deliverables provide the foundation for a specialized digital service. Subscribe for more AI workflows, and I'll see you.